We have some white-winged doves in our backyard that don't let the other birds feed on the feeder. They're big bullies. The white-winged doves are very large. They're as large as a pigeon, so they scare the other birds off. These kinds of birds usually play nice and let each other feed at the feeder at the same time. I'm hoping that the noise of my drone flying over will scare them off so they won't come back as soon. I see one that I scared off. I'll show him to you with an arrow. You'll have to look close as they're really fast. The trees back here by the back porch are usually where they congregate. I don't see any right now. The noise of the drone flying over must have already scared them off. I'm gonna fly closer to the well house over here just to make sure they're all gone. Well, I don't see any anywhere right now. They must really be afraid of this drone. I'll have to do this again. Since I have the drone here, I might as well get some pictures of this beautiful Texas sage in bloom. As you can see, it's pretty windy right here, but this old drone sure handles the wind well. Thank you for watching me chase birds with my drone.